A12. Look at that. And today we're here at Ferrari. What we had to do is something special. We had to spec our own car. Never thought it happened so quick, right? I'm just playing. I'm here to show you around Ferrari. We have a car meet here at Ferrari Grandstand. A host of cool cars already arrived. Let me just walk you through the cars that I see right here at the moment. Here we've got an F430 Scuderia 16M 512 Testarossa. And then another F430, a 360 Challenge. Just walk you through more of the cars that are here. Two Romas. As you can see here, you have the all-new Ferrari Pro Sangwe. This spec is pretty special, pretty nuts. You have this purplish looking color, yellow calipers. Let me show you the color real quick. I don't know if you can see it. There's flakes, kind of purple, but okay, pretty special car. With me, this is my go-to supercar SUV. Like this thing, it's luxurious, nothing short of anything, right? But the sticker price of 17 million. Let me show you around a bit. All over the special cars like GT3 RS, but you can start here with the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadric 4. Yes, 991.1 versus 991.2 GT3. Both have the bucket seats, everything. Which one would you go for? Vantage Roadster, all new M2 911 SC of another 911 car. I like these. Every time I see these, I'm just wowed. And a Miami Blue Carrera GTS and a 992 GT3. There's a lot of 992 GT3s today, so bear with me. And this, I think this is a prior design kit if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna show you this 992 GT3 RS. Everywhere you go now, to every car meet you go, you find a GT3 RS next to olive green 992. These things today. I just want to quickly go show you. That is the A12 right there, singing for us. And that's the two A12s going against each other. 992 GT3 as well, GTS as well, and we have a 911 Safari. Let me quickly show you that as well. And it has the plate seats as well. But I want to quickly go show you something else really quick. This 650 here is plumbing sick. And we have this Carrera with like a GT2 wing and like a GT3 front end. And we have a Heritage, 911 Heritage. And these are quite rare as well. And we have this R'8. We know this R'8 already. The thing is loud and quick. And look at how the carbon glistens in the sun. Oh my word. But this, I wanted to show you this. Like a 911 Safari build. Wow. The white wheels and the cool livery. Ooh, the plate seats as well. GT3s just keep flowing. Just keep getting GT3 after GT3. And another GT2, GT3 after GT3. I can't keep count of how many GT3s we have today. Now, oh, the GT3 launched, and now a bit of the cars are leaving. As you can see, the fate is leaving. Some of the cars that are here, we have a GT, we have an SL with a wide body Brabus kit, got an A12 with a Novitec thingy exhaust as well, and an R'8 with a super sprint exhaust. These sound special. I'm sure you'll have heard the R'8 from previous videos as well. I'm gonna show you M5 CS. That sounds like a GT3. There's an M5 CS. Can never go wrong with an M5 CS. It's kind of full, so it's kind of hard to show you the cars, right? There's another A12, got a GT2 RS, we have a GT3, we have an 458, GT4, Huracan, all those nice things. But this GT2 RS sounds special, man. A12 sounds special. Remember from a previous vlog? Wow. This needs a better. Ooh. And you've got the GT3s. How many GT3s are here today? If you had to count how many GT3s, in the comments below, tell me how many GT3s. We've another GT3 as well. Identical spec GT3. That GT3 though. Listen to that thing. that. Listen to that 2RS. We're gonna go. There we go. Some more. Some more. Then the M2 is giving us some as well.
Look at this. RS.
Look at this.
I think we need to stop this.
And we have the 992 GT3. And we have an M4 GTS leaving now. Listen to that 65. Listen to that 65. About 22960.
Lamborghini versus 812. Listen to this. Look at everybody.
Ears are done. This is that 812.
That 812.
Jeez.
Oh my.
And we have an Novitec 812 startup.
I'm gonna zoom in. There we go. Everybody's running off there. But we are with this one. This one also sounds. Oh my God.
This one sounds mad as well. My ears are V12 right here. As you might know, this is my favorite V12. Can never go wrong with an F12. This M2 sounds spectacular. This M2 sounds crazy. He gave us what we want. He gave us. is a madness. Look at how it left the road. Jeez. Jesus. 296. Oh.
Let's go!
The M2s are supplying.
M2s are flying!
Oh, and the new 5 Series, of course.
New 5 Series. Pretty cool.
First time seeing one. Looks sick. Nice stuff from the 320.